This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Release the filter housing cover clamps at the front. Slide the cover forward until the tabs at the rear of the housing are disengaged. Then lift off the cover and remove the air filter element. Clean out the air filter housing before installing the filter. Install the filter into the housing, making sure it is seated evenly. Install the filter housing cover by first inserting the rear tabs, then pressing the front of the cover down and securing the clamps.